A very good morning to all my dear kids. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and you have enjoyed your weekend. So students, today our subject is English and our topic is chapter 3, Happy Birthday. We have done the reading of this chapter in our last class and we have also learned some new words. Do you remember what we have learned in this chapter? हमने क्या पढ़ा था इस चैप्टर में? हमने पढ़ा था there are 4 children, Farha, Daljit, Peter and Rita, and they made a beautiful birthday card for their teacher. Do you remember? Yes. So today we will do the exercise of this chapter. So let's start the topic of the day. Question A. Match the children with the things they have. One is done for you. आपको क्या करना है इसमें? आपको यहाँ पर थिंग्स दी हैं कि कौन से बच्चे के पास कौन कौन सी चीज़ें थी. सो लेट्स डू मैचिंग ऑफ चिल्ड्रन विद द थिंग्स दे हैव. फर्स्ट इज फरहा एंड शी हैज़ अ बॉक्स ऑफ crayons. It is already done. Number 2 is Daljit, and what he has? Tell me. He has pencils and an eraser. Daljit has pencils and an eraser. Number 3 is Peter, and Peter has colors and brushes. Peter has colors and brushes. So we will match number 3 with A. Number 4 is a picture of Rita, and she has a sheet of pink paper. Rita has a sheet of pink paper. So match number 4 with B. So this is the things the children have with them to make the birthday card. ये सारी चीजें इन बच्चों के पास थी बर्थडे कार्ड बनाने के लिए. So we have done the matching. B. Circle the correct words within the brackets. Now you have to circle the correct words. Number 1 is the friends want to buy or make a card. Now tell me which one is correct, buy or make. They want to buy a card or make a card. क्या करना चाहते थे वो? कार्ड खरीदना चाहते थे या बनाना चाहते थे? Yes, they want to make a card. So make is the correct answer. So we will put a circle on it. The friends want to make a card. Number 2, Rita folds or cuts the pink paper. Now tell me what Rita did. Rita ने क्या किया था? She folds the pink paper or she cuts the pink paper. क्या किया था उसने? Yes, she folds the pink paper. Rita folds the pink paper to make a card. Next, number 3. Peter draws with brushes or crayons. Now tell me from which thing Peter draws the card. Peter ने किस चीज से कार्ड को ड्रॉ किया था? Yes, crayons. किससे किया था? Crayons. So crayons is the right answer. Peter draws with crayons. Number 4. They will give the card to their teacher or mother. बताइए बच्चे किसको कार्ड देना चाहते थे? Yes, right. They will give the card to their teacher. Okay, now let's move. Question C. Say these words aloud. Now we have to do the reading of the given words. Let's start the reading. B eat a bit. B eat a bit. F eat a fit. F eat a fit. S eat a sit. S eat a sit. In in. In in. T in a tin. T in a tin. B in a bin. B in a bin. F in a fin. F in a fin. L e per lip. L e per lip. S e per sip. S e per sip. D e per dip. D e per dip. So students, these are the words with vowel I sound. Now question D. Fill in the letters A, E, I, O or U to complete these words. Now you can see there are some words and you have to complete these words with vowels A, E, I, O or U. So let's start. Number 1. D blank S T blank R. Now we have to complete this word. D A S टर डस्टर. तो हमने क्या फिल किया? U और E. DUSTER डस्टर. DUSTER डस्टर. नंबर 2. B R blank श. क्या बनेगा? ब्रश. ब्रश. B R A श ब्रश. U says a. U says a. Brush. BRUSH brush. Number 3. Ruler. Ruler. Ruler is a scale. RULER. 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 Number 4. Blank R blank S blank R. क्या बन गया? इरेजर. ERAZER. इरेजर. ERASER. इरेजर. ERASER. इरेजर. Number 5. PENCIL. 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 Number 6 is crayons. 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 क्या बन गया? crayons. 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 So you have to complete these words in this way. Question E. Match the words with their opposites. Now we have to match the words with their opposites. Opposites means उल्टा, जो दिए हुए words का उल्टा हो. Now look here. Number 1 is give. Give means देना. So what will be the opposite of give? Take. Give, take. Give, take. Number 2 is happy. And the opposite of happy is sad. Happy, sad. Happy, sad. Happy means खुश. Sad means दुखी. Happy, sad. Number 3. New, old. The opposite of new is old. New means नया. Old means पुराना. New, old. New, old. Number 4. Hot. Hot means garam. and the opposite of hot is cold. Cold means ठंडा. Hot, cold. Hot, cold. Number 5, small. Small means छोटा and the opposite of small is big. Big means बड़ा. Small, big. Small, big. So these are the opposite words. You have to do the matching like this. Now let's move forward. F. Color the clouds to match the words that go together. Now we have to color the clouds with same colors in which the words are pairing with each other or the words are going together. Okay, like mother and father. Mother and father. So in both these words the clouds are of orange color. Okay, next word is sister. Now tell me, अब ये किस वर्ड्स के साथ मैच हो रहा है? सिस्टर, तो हम क्या बोलते हैं? सिस्टर एंड ब्रदर. सिस्टर एंड ब्रदर. नेक्स्ट वर्ड आंट. आंट एंड अंकल. आंट एंड अंकल. नेक्स्ट ग्रीन क्लाउड में गर्ल, गर्ल, बॉय. गर्ल एंड बॉय. Girl and boy. Next, the last one in red cloud, grandmother. So grandmother and grandfather. Grandmother and grandfather. So you have to do this question like this. You have to make the clouds same. Okay? Orange, orange, mother, father. Aunt, uncle in blue clouds. Sister, brother in yellow cloud. Girl, boy in green cloud. And grandmother, grandfather in red clouds. So students, this is the book work or exercise of this chapter. I hope the chapter Happy Birthday is clear to you and you have enjoyed this chapter. In homework, do all these questions in your English textbook. And one more thing, many students have made a beautiful birthday card and they also shared it on the WhatsApp group. But I want all those students to share it in the group who has not made it. Make a beautiful birthday card for someone whose birthday is coming or for your friend. आप किसी के लिए भी एक सुंदर सा बर्थडे कार्ड बनाएंगे और उसे ग्रुप पर शेयर करेंगे. और जिन बच्चों ने बनाया था बहुत सुंदर बनाया था, बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुली उसे बनाया था और कलरिंग की थी. तो जिन बच्चों ने अभी तक शेयर नहीं किया है वो बनाएंगे और ग्रुप में शेयर करेंगे. ओके, थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे.